He goes, so people have been asking, is the Siva Gaia bear different? And the answer is yes. You stupid, this is really good. So here's the proof that this is a different banner. Now, in retrospect, this looks very normal. It looks fine. It looks like nothing changed to it. You got the Robbie Rotten's eyes over here. You have Granddad, the anime, and the Filipino, like the Tito Dick, our beloved boy. But at the same time, nothing else is different. Like, everything is exactly the same. But that's where you're wrong. See, if you, Jarvis, and watch this image, if you zoom in this image by 1,000%, you will clearly see there's a single green dot, 1 pixel out of the entire image right here inside the lighthouse. This is clearly a different image altogether. Because that green dot is there, this now alters the entire image. So for some of the folks who are saying that this image is exactly the same, you're fucking stupid. But anyway, I thank you guys so much for watching. Stick around, see you for more